Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice dispenser door motor in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice dispenser door motor. The ice dispenser door motor is located inside the dispenser assembly. It opens and closes the ice dispenser door on demand. If the ice cubes are not coming out of the ice chute when the lever is pressed and instead builds up inside the chute, it's time to check the ice dispenser door motor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove the control panel. I'm going to use the putty knife. I'm going to insert it into the seam here at the bottom and slide it to the side and pry the bottom out. Then we'll go to the opposite side and do the same thing. I'm going to slide that putty knife into the seam, slide it to the left, and pry it out. And now we're going to remove this control panel. The motor is right there in the left corner. So we need to remove the bracket. To make all the surgery easy, we're going to disconnect the control panel. I'm going to press this tab, pull out this plug, the same thing here. And a couple of small ones, like in tabs. And we can take it away and take a good care of it because it's fragile. So now we're going to take out a couple of screws here. That's Phillips screws, so we can remove the bracket. I'm going to use the putty knife, place it here on the top next to the clip, press the bracket down, and simultaneously I'm going to pull the left side out. And we're going to remove this hook out of the slot, and the bracket comes out. Disconnect this plug, put it aside. So we're going to remove the motor, and we need to take 3 Phillips screws out. And we're going to push this tab and disconnect the plug from the motor. This is the old ice dispenser door motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. This is a new ice dispenser door motor, and before installing it, I would like to point on one very important thing. This actuator is completely out, so that means that the ice door would be opened. But after we install it and plug the fridge in, this motor is going to self-adjust and the chute will be closed. So we need to make sure that this actuator lever is pressing on this pedal here when we're installing it. So I'm going to press it up and help it, push it, and open this first. And then we're going to install the motor in, and then we're going to secure it with 3 Phillips screws. So now we're going to connect this plug. And next thing, we're going to install the bracket. Here comes the bracket. I'm going to pull this harness through, then we're going to connect the LED lights here, that plug goes in. And we're going to install the bracket. The harness we need to pull through. And this goes on the right side, goes first in. And then we are going to press it in. All right. So it's time to secure the bracket with a couple of Phillips screws. Then we can connect the control panel and place it on. We're going to plug in all the plugs. Start from here. And the second one. And the two smaller plugs. And we can install the control panel. Make sure the harness goes inside the cutouts. I'm going to place the top in, press it in, and then we're going to push the bottom in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.